If your day starts anything like mine does, you turn on your computer and start the same applications every time. Email, word processor, maybe spreadsheet, all the usual tools for your daily work. What if one click could start all of those at the same time? With PowerToys Workspaces utility, that's possible. I know what some of you are thinking. Couldn't I just put those applications in my Windows startup group? Sure, but here's the catch. Those applications would open every single time you restarted your computer, whether you needed them or not. That can become really inconvenient when you're rebooting your computer during a system update, for example. Starting apps with workspaces instead allows you to decide when you want that workspace open. And it lets you define several different workspaces for different parts of your day. Before we get into all that, let me ask you, have you installed PowerToys? If you haven't, I've linked a video in the upper right-hand corner and in the video description below showing you how to download it from Microsoft and install it. Just click on the card in the upper right-hand corner of the screen or in the video description to review those instructions. So, what is Workspaces? Workspaces is a feature within Microsoft PowerToys that allows you to create predefined desktop setups, meaning you can arrange your apps, documents, and browser tabs exactly how you need them. Then recall that specific layout with a single click. This is particularly useful in a multiple monitor setup. I like my Outlook to be over on one monitor, my web browsers over on the other, etc. And as I mentioned before, you can have different workspaces for different tasks. For example, I have a workspace I call Good Morning that has all my basic apps, Outlook, both Chrome and Edge browsers, my image clipping software, all ready to go in position where I prefer them to be. I have another workspace called Video Editing, which opens my video editing and video capture software in the ideal position for recording and editing tutorials. You can probably think of other groups of tasks that have associated applications like opening your time and billing software alongside Excel. So how do you set up a workspace? It's pretty easy. Open PowerToys and navigate to Workspaces. If it's not already enabled, click the toggle to enable it. Within Workspaces, click Launch Editor. A new window will open, at which point you can click Create Workspace. Open your target apps and arrange your windows exactly how you want them. Word for drafting, a PDF reader for case files, Outlook for client emails, and a browser for legal research, for example. Be deliberate about how you do this, because Workspaces will memorize not only all the apps and documents you have open, but where on your screen, or screens plural, they're positioned. Save your workspace and give it a meaningful name. That workspace is now saved in Workspaces. You can launch it from here, or if you'd prefer a link on your desktop, click the ellipsis just above the Launch button to edit it and check the box next to Create Desktop Shortcut. That link will now appear on your desktop, ready for you to click. When you need that setup again, just launch it from the link on your desktop, and all your applications will open in the right place automatically. Now that you've got your workspace all set up, you'll have a few more seconds to sip your morning coffee. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the playlist on the left for more PowerToys productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.